To the reality star Lamar Odom, the two-time NBA champion and ex-husband to the reality star Khloe Kardashian. He is in the hospital right now after being found unconscious at a brothel in Nevada last night. The 35-year-old is 6 feet 10 inches tall, and the reports are he was too tall to actually fit into a medical helicopter to evacuate, so he was taken to the hospital by ambulance instead. The reports are that Khloe Kardashian is by his side, despite the fact that they divorced, and that was finalized in July. Khloe Kardashian and Lamar Odom still apparently speaking regularly. In fact, Khloe expressed her concern for Lamar Odom after he called to say that his best friend had died this year, and that phone call was captured in a recent episode of the program Keeping Up with the Kardashians on the E! Network.
Is he okay? As good as can be expected type of thing.
I'm really on high alert for Lamar because, anything I think will set him to spiral, and that's kind of the last thing I want for him.
Lamar Odom has said the Kardashians were the only family that has loved him without expecting anything in return. Khloe's sister, Kendall, tweeted this out this morning.